how to fix Twitter age verification problem. So if you want to fix Twitter age verification problem, then you need to follow these steps. This usually happens when your birth date is missing or your age can't be verified. So first, you need to launch your X application. After that, click on the profile icon given in the top left and then tap on profile and you'll be redirected to your profile. Now click on the option edit profile again, which will be in the top right, the pencil shaped icon. Then click on your birth date and update it. Make sure that the date reflects that you're at least 13 years old and older depending on your reason. Next up, you need to head back and go to your settings and privacy. Go back to your profile, scroll down, go with settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Click on the option of your account. Now click on account information. If X or Twitter requires a verification, you'll see a prompt here. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a valid government-issued ID and a selfie to verify identity. Make sure your email is verified too. If not, verify it right away. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Twitter age verification problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.